that when you are manifesting, you are raising your vibration. When you are raising your vibration, you are preparing to experience things that you have never experienced before. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy, and here on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, body, and spirit. Today I am so excited to talk to you because I have such a precise video to bring to you. No BS, no talking around it, just 3 main mistakes that people make when they are trying to manifest. I hope that this video will help you so much, and I hope that you're able to find something valuable within the information that can help you manifest your desires just a little bit easier. Everyone's journey is completely unique and made for them, so it can be kind of hard to watch videos and find things that resonate with you. So I hope that I'm able to give you some content that helps you achieve your dreams. Okay, so let's get started. 3 mistakes to avoid making when you're manifesting your desires. The first mistake that a lot of people make when manifesting their desire is focusing on all of the things that they do not want. A lot of times when we are used to letting our ego lead our thought process and our thought pattern, our ego can convince us that whatever we're pursuing will be very similar to things that we have already experienced, because our ego only references what it knows, and it can only know what it's experienced, so it can only know our past. A lot of times when we reference our desires, or when we think about our desire, we can feel kind of bad and we can feel kind of icky, and we're like, well, I want this. Why does thinking about it make me feel bad? And that is because when you think about it, your mind, depending on the way you're used to thinking, your mind can bring up a lot of past situations that have to do with your desire. And these past situations may not be situations that you enjoyed or particularly like thinking about. So it's important to remember that when you are manifesting, you are raising your vibration. When you are raising your vibration, you are preparing to experience things that you have never experienced before. You are expanding your life. So knowing that you are expanding your life, you want to prepare to start experiencing a bunch of new. You want to have faith that the universe is going to bring into your experience things that you've never dreamed of, things that you never thought possible. By expanding your mind and having faith that the universe can surprise you. Have faith that the universe can show you something you haven't seen before. Having that type of faith allows you to step away from, well, this is what I know, this is what happened, so this is the proof I have to get what I want. You got to get away from that type of thinking. Know that everything you've experienced turned you into the killer person that you are, but those references aren't always important for the future. The future is going to be new. The future is going to be exciting. You cannot predict the future, but you have to believe it's going to be good. The second mistake that people make when manifesting their desires is setting the wrong intention. Having the wrong intentions when it comes to their desire. Let's talk about wealth, because I love talking about wealth, and your girl's finally starting to get a handle on it. Okay, so when manifesting, we always have an intention. There's always something that we want. There's always a specific way that we want this desire to steer our life. We have an intention, even if that intention isn't conscious, right? So talking about wealth, I just want to quickly explain the difference between two mindsets. So if you are trying to manifest financial stability, financial independence, and your mindset is, I want to make money so I can make the world a better place. I want to make money so that I can take care of my family. I want to make money so I can use that energy to create even more good energy in the world. If that is your intention, that is an intention from a place of love. That is an intention that is connected to your passion. So it will continue to encourage you. It will continue to hold you up on days where you're just like, why am I even trying to manifest anything? I should just give up and just be like everyone else and stop trying to direct my life. On those days, if you have an intention that's rooted in love, you will get through those days because it will always come back to love. I see you trying to sneak near my mic. Chill. Now, On the other end of the spectrum, let's say that you are trying to manifest financial abundance, financial freedom, and you've been surrounded by rich people and you want to flex. You want to be just as rich as the next person. This person has this car, you want the better car. This person has this house, you want the bigger house. Because doing better than them means that you've gotten to the specific place in your life. That is not an intention based in love. That's an intention that your ego created. That is an intention that you are pursuing because you want to feel better than other people, not necessarily because it's connected to a passion within you. So on those hard days, on those days where you're just like, why am I even doing this? If your intention is to get rich just so you can flex, just so you can look better than the next person, that's not a strong enough intention to keep you going. That's not a strong enough intention to give you new ideas and make you want to expand your life in specific ways. That intention is not strong enough because it comes from a place of just wanting to be better than the next person. And there's no way you can really grow and expand in that type of mindset. And last but not least, the third mistake to avoid making when trying to manifest your desire: forcing circumstances. Oh my gosh. So when you are trying to manifest, if you are into law of attraction, if you know about law of attraction, the more you open your mind up to aligning with your higher self, the more you will see synchronicities in the world. And these synchronicities are such a beautiful sign because they show us that the universe is running right alongside us. It is parallel, right next to us, co-creating with us. That's why I love synchronicities, because they're just such a beautiful reminder that we're not in this alone, right? So when you are trying to manifest something, it is so important to find the balance between action and forcing it. Because action comes from a place of confidence. It comes from a place of passion, because these are actions that you would want to be doing. You know your action is correct if you want to do it, and it doesn't matter if you get rewarded for it or not. That's when you know that your action is from a pure place. So that being said, if you're trying to manifest something and you find yourself making decisions that don't really feel great, but you feel like that's the only way you'll get to your desire, you're forcing it. For example, real quick, let's talk about scam artists. Do you guys remember when everyone was like being scammed on Cash App and they were like making pyramid schemes? That was an interesting time in history. But yeah, like when people scam, like scammers, scamming's really, really big right now. And I guess it's always been big. Yikes. But I guess with social media, scamming's caught on to social media. So now I see it on a lot of my social platforms. And scamming a person doesn't feel good. No matter who you are, no matter what you've been through, no matter what your experience is, deep, deep down, you know that when you are taking money from another person and not delivering an equal amount of value, you know that and you feel it in your soul. So a lot of people, when they get into scamming, they might say to themselves, well, I'm broke. I need to make this money by this time. Or, this is the only way for me to get a leg up. I will save up enough money and then I'll start a good, reputable business, however you justify it. The thing you have to understand is if you get into the habit of forcing circumstances, you have a subconscious belief that you have to make it happen. So you will always be the one having to make it happen. If you find yourself forcing circumstances, you don't have a foundational belief that the universe is co-creating with you, that you don't have to be the one putting in all the work by yourself. Because if you believed that, you wouldn't be sacrificing your morals and your mentality to make this money. So you cannot force circumstances, even outside of finances. Whatever you desire, for example, even if it's a boyfriend, if you like someone and that person's already in a relationship, but you want to break them up so you can be with that person, you know it's wrong, because if someone did that to you, you wouldn't like it and it would not make you happy. It is not a good exchange of energy, and that's all our souls want. Our souls only want to operate through love. It's so simple, but we are the ones who overcomplicate it, right? So do not force circumstances, and find a balance between healthy action that strengthens your character and who you are and the person you want to be. Find the balance between that and co-creation. faith in the universe or God, whatever you call it, faith in the process. Find a good balance. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for today. I am so happy with this video. It's so important. I feel like a lot of times I try to talk about the laws of reality and what to do. And I was just like, you know, maybe I should talk about the things that you shouldn't do in one video, because these are the main things that I feel held me back for a really long time. And once I worked through them, everything just started falling from the sky. You feel me? I love you so much. You are my everything. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so other people know it's valuable and that they should watch it. If you'd like me to expand on anything that I talked about, just leave a comment down below and I will be happy to. And last but not least, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Wait, no, I said that already. Last but not least, please make sure to subscribe so you can be around for my next video. That's what I meant to say. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.